Hey guys, hope you're doing great today. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida today. Just getting ready to go back to Washington D.C. Staying at a friend's place here, and I got to tell you though, it is going to be hard to go back, especially with this view. You can just imagine what it looks like and what the weather's like down here. But I saw something interesting this morning during my quiet time today, and just looking out at the ocean and saw the clouds. It's a very overcast day today, but notice the clouds just part just a little bit all over the place. I've noticed this for a while. Anytime you go to the beach, if it's an overcast day, you'll find that the sun is breaking through at some point, no matter how cloudy that day is, and somewhere out in the ocean. And today I want to show you, because there's a lot of sun patches out there, a lot of bright spots in this cloudy day. Let me show you real quick. Check it out. You see all the light reflecting off the water and breaking through the clouds. It encourages me too, because this is a lot of what God does in our day, no matter how cloudy our day might be, and that He is always breaking through with a ray of sunlight somewhere along in our day. And no matter what your day might be like today, or how cloudy it might be, and maybe it's just stuff going on with your family, or your marriage, or maybe even at home with the kids, or with the school, or even at work with your boss, man, something's just seeming really cloudy, man. I want to encourage you, look for that bright spot. God is always wanting to break through with that ray of sunlight for your day. So be encouraged today, and man, look for that ray of light. It's coming your way. All right, bless you guys. Later.